Hey y'all, I'm revamping my water supply just a little bit more, and I just thought I would show y'all what's happening with the water, problems that you have when you're on gravity flow water, and things to consider about doing it if you're collecting from a spring. So anyway folks, here it is. Let me show you what I got going. I still got the bucket, and that bucket's full of gravel. Now the problem that I had was with it being sealed off, air would get in there trapped up and it would vapor lock, and then no water would run through my system. And I just had the water coming on out this side here, and that went directly through. So it just was no reserve or nothing. And I'd get pressure locked up in here, air pressure locked. So now I still have the air hole in the top here, right there, where air can come on out as it comes into the spring, so it's not going to build up that pressure. The air can escape. I do want to get a bigger rock to weight this, just so nothing's going to kick it on over as easy. Then over here, I just got a garbage can. I drilled a hole on in there, and the water is coming out a little bit dirty still because I just put new rock that I'm rinsing on out, and I'm going to flush the system on out. But it's flowing on in here. And what I haven't done yet is created an overflow. It's, well, let me show you here. See the top, if I get down here at level, you can see the top of the orange bucket is a little higher than the garbage can. That means the water will not come out the top, just only air. The water will want to flow over the top of this here. I need to put in an overflow so I can direct where I want the overflow to go when this can is completely full. So anyway, it's getting there. It's been approximately 5 minutes filling up this 30-gallon can, 35-gallon can, something like that. And like I said, this water, well, you can see the water is coming out clear through here. That water is coming out clear, but it's still, I got to dump this tank here and refill it on again, just to rinse it on out. Anyway, we'll be back in a little bit here, and I'll show you the rest of it when I dump the tank. Yeah, y'all, I'm back now. Just think I got shut off earlier on that video. Anyway, this is where we're at again. This is the second fill time, and you can see the water has still got a little bit of a muddy color to it, a little greenish tint to it, and that will clear up in time. I just called up my wife on the phone and told her to go open up the garden faucet and just start watering the garden. Open up wide, and told her not to get the water on the plants or on the leaves, just get it on the ground. But we're going to try to flush some of this stuff on through, and I'll probably drain it. I just want to see, with the garden wide open, how fast it'll drain this garbage can. Anyway, we'll be back with you here in a little bit. Okay, y'all, this is with the garden being ran. The garden's being watered right now, and we still got water coming on out, but I haven't gone through and checked for airlocks in the hose, so maybe it's not draining as fast, or flowing as fast as it should be yet down below. So I got to check with that. But anyway, I just said I thought I'd let you know about this update, and I still got to drain it. See, the water ain't the clearest. By the way, our water is slightly green here. That's why the reservoir up above us is called Green Peter Reservoir. Our water is kind of green in color. And I do need to put a rubber bungee over the top of this lid so it doesn't just pop off and get other debris on in there. And folks, no, we will not be drinking this water or cooking with this water. We will be doing our laundry, flushing the toilets, all that good stuff. But we will be buying water, or I'll come up here and fill it out of the spring water that hasn't gone through this here. Later on, I'm going to get a food grade container for a storage tank for the water, and then we'll drink the water. But this is not a food grade, obviously, but it will get us through. Anyway, folks, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, yeah. Bye.